What's up, guys? Steve here from Card Break NL, getting ready for Chase the Greats triple up. 3 boxes, 3 jerseys, hopefully 3 different winners. Still possible that there's a couple multiples. We're live. Good luck. Here's your teams coming at you. It is 10:15. We're live in 15 minutes for this. We got John Tucker, also known as XX, and Brian Slaney. Then we have Anaheim to Winnipeg. And here's your team list. We need to get rid of the teams. All right, good luck. Again, 10:15. We'll start with the teams. 1, 2, 3, constant. Timestamp on 3. It's 10:15. 10:15 it is, and we're on our last and final. 27 spots. Some teams are doubled up. Fourth and final timestamp says 10:15, and 10:15 it is. San Jose to Arizona Islanders, and Nashville to Washington. And there's teams. Let's match up some names. Again, 10-16. John and Brian, 1, 2, 3. Timestamp on 3. It says 10-16. 10-16 it is. Last and final. Fourth and final timestamp. 10-16. 10-16. Let's copy these over. Corey, top spot. Cody, halfway mark. And Patrick to John. There's your list. We'll put them in the comments. We'll see you in 15 minutes. Good luck, folks.